Hello, my name is Vincent Garcia,
And I'm Tily Kwaidah.
and today we will be showing you how to make compositionally complex aluminum-based garnets using solid-state synthesis.
It's crucial to remove any moisture content in the oxides. To do this, we place the oxides in an oven and heat them to ensure they are completely dry. Ensure you're wearing and using the correct PPE. Once the drying process is complete, we take the oxides out of the oven and allow them to cool. For calculations and measurements, we start by applying stoichiometry to accurately determine the required amount of each starting material. Next, we precisely weigh these amounts using a weighing balance. Once we have accurately measured the oxides, we'll proceed to mix the compounds. You can do this manually using a mortar and pestle or a ball milling machine to achieve homogeneous mixing of the powders. After thoroughly mixing the compounds, the next step is pelletizing. This involves pressing the mixed powders into pellets using a pellet press. Ensure the pressure is evenly applied to form dense, uniform pellets. After pressing, the pellets are fired or sintered in a furnace. This involves heating them to the desired temperature and duration. Once the firing process is complete, we'll characterize the specimens using X-ray diffraction. XRD is a powerful technique that allows us to identify the phases formed in the material and its properties, such as crystal structure, crystal light size, among others.